What's up to all those alone in the zone? It's the one that gets you to think when I ink. John Eli Lopez. Back once again with another one on a mission to get you one step closer to being the king or the queen of the pencil. And today I'll be doing caricatures of some famous celebrities that passed away this year. If you would like to follow along, you would need a tablet, a stylus, and the Procreate app. Okay, so let's get started. This is an image I had in my head. I wish I could have, fit more. So many people passed away this year. So many known, and so many unknowns. So today I'm just basically gonna do a tribute to 2020. Using reference photos that I'm just basically freestyling from. The first one is Tommy Tiny Lister. Kobe and Gianna Bryant. John Ecstasy Fletcher. Baysha Pop Smoke Jackson. Chadwick Boseman. And we're just gonna go through it. "2020 has been a rough one. So many people passed away this year. It's just ridiculous. But I just want to give a shout out and a reflection on all the people that stepped up, volunteered, helped, made changes. My family, my friends, those that's still here, and those that's no longer with us. The reason I chose these characters, because they, along with so many others, impacted all of us in life and in death. As I said previously, I wish I could have fit more. But one of my main hopes is that the new year brings many more blessings to all of us that are still here, still in the struggle. One of the main reasons I even started this channel is because of COVID-19. I always wanted to do it, but I kept putting it off. And when COVID hit, it was such a wake-up call. Life throws so many things at us that it can end at any moment. It could take a left turn at any time. But to watch something affect the world and change the world like that, it reminded me of a saying I heard that, one of the mistakes people think is you have more time. And for me saying, yeah, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna start channel one of these days. A lot of us had more time on our hands, and instead of feeling down in the dumps, decided just to try things that I always wanted to do, because you never know. So hopefully we could take this experience and find some good in it, find something to learn from. A lot of times when, because a lot of times when we are at our deepest lows, your mind is so focused on what has brought you down to that lowest point that it's hard to see, the value in it or what you are meant to learn from it. It's only till, some time has passed that you realize, what you were meant to get out of it. And I believe, the quicker you realize what you're meant to learn from it, the more that would help in the healing process. That is one of the main reasons I even became so focused when I was younger in the arts because it allowed me to meditate, to zone out, to enter other, realms. Because when you are focused on creativity, it's almost like you become one with it. You get so caught up in it, the rest of the world kind of disappears at that time. I know that might be hard for some to understand, but even if you don't have, creative outlets, find some kind of outlets, whether it's, meditating, just even going for walks, whatever it is to separate your mind from the stresses of daily life. You need to find that, because the weight of the world can really become too much at certain points. And as I do these characters here, it really struck me at how much life these individuals had left, how much more life they had left, and the impact they had on all of us who knew them and knew of them. And after I did this black and white version here, I decided let me color it. So I wanted to give the viewers two examples of this. So I like both versions. I like the black and white and I like the colored. But you guys can let me know what you think at the end. So there you have it. That was the black and white version. And now we're moving on to the colored version. And I know I could have been done with the black and white, but I wanted to push myself and see if I could take it to another level. One of the main things I stress is mastering the basics, which is the pencil. And this is a perfect example of how the underlying pencil drawing was a perfect template for how the colors was being laid. From the shadow and light. So once you master that, and lay that down, the rest should kind of fall into place. Such a different look what color adds. It's almost like night and day. of these different individuals had their, it's varying shades of black. We are colorful people. And if you guys get some time, take a look at all of those known people who have passed away. It's been so many. And then the tragic numbers from this COVID, where it's thousands a day. Those that are here, let's represent for those that are not. All those within the sound of my voice, I wish you all a prosperous new year. Many blessings to you and yours. And there you have it. We are done. I hope you guys got some value from this video. If you did, show some love to that subscribe button. Hit the like. Leave a comment. Any feedback is appreciated. Many blessings to all y'all. So until next time, Johnny Lopez signing out. You all be good and be safe.